Now we get to look at another factor, okay, that's usually considered when you are trying to study about bone strength, why somebody has weak bones, the rest of it. So this is what is known as the active bone turnover. So active bone turnover is also known as, well, active osteoblastic activity. Okay. So osteoblasts involved in what? Bone formation. So it just refers to process where what osteoblasts are bone forming cells. They are actively laying down new bone and matrix and mineralizing it. It's a very important part when you're now talking about the overall bone remodeling process. This is where what bone is trying to balance resorption and also formation. Okay, so what osteoblastic activity means, we say that osteoblasts originate from mesenchymal stem cells. So they secrete osteoid, okay, then they regulate mineralization by depositing calcium and phosphate to harden the osteoid. So active osteoblasts are found on bone surfaces, often in clusters, forming new lamellae and trabeculae. So what are the indicators of what active bone turnovers? So you could actually do histology, or well, not really. Well, you look at what the osteoblast surface, that's you're looking at what the bone surface that is covered by osteoblasts. You look at the bone formation rate, you look at the mineral apposition rate, you look at all those other biochemical markers like all those alkaline phosphatase, osteocalcins, the pro-collagen type 1, N-terminal propeptide. We look at all of that when we start chemical pathology. Then on imaging, you use things like the dynamic histomorphometry and also the bone scintigraphy. So bone scintigraphy is a radionuclide imaging. It's to show places, okay, where the activities are so high. So clinical context of increased osteoblast activities, it could actually show normal, it could be normal, all right, and sometimes it could be too high. So when it is too high, it leads to diseases like what? Paget's disease, hyperparathyroidism, osteomalacia and rickets, bone metastasis. Alright, so that's what we have for this. Okay, we'll talk about the treatment sometime later again.